The Ford Explorer is Ford's most popular mid-size selling SUV. This 2009 Explorer XLT in Supersharp Sport Blue is fully Ford certified and backed by Ford's 100,000-mile warranty. Deal direct with Internet Manager John Carlson for a hassle-free, straightforward buying experience. Call John Carlson at 309-661-3108 for a pre-inspection and accurate description of this vehicle before you make a trip out to see this.